If you've ever opened Firefox and felt like the text was just a little too small, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to increase the font size in Firefox in just a few simple clicks. This is a quick and easy way to make browsing more comfortable, especially if you spend a lot of time reading articles, using web apps, or looking at pages with small text. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the menu button. This is the three-line icon that opens Firefox's main options. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the browser's settings page, where you can change different preferences for how Firefox looks and behaves. On the settings page, find and click Accessibility. This section is where Firefox keeps options for making the browser easier to read and use. When the accessibility settings open, look for the font size dropdown. Click the dropdown menu and you'll see different size options available. Choose the font size that works best for you. If you want text to appear larger and easier to read, select a bigger size from the list. As soon as you make your selection, Firefox will apply the change right away so you can immediately see the difference as you browse. This is a great fix if the default text feels too small, and it can make a big improvement in comfort and readability. If the text still feels too small, you can always go back and choose a larger size later. And if you ever want to return to the original look, just revisit the same font size dropdown and select a smaller option. So that's how to increase font size in Firefox in a few simple steps. Click the menu, open Settings, go to Accessibility, and then choose your preferred font size from the dropdown. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.